This is the best news ever for small channels. Guys, what if I told you there is a powerful hack that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours without you uploading any video by yourself? This is real. This is not a strategy that will go against the YouTube community guidelines. Yes, I am talking about real watch hours that YouTube has introduced into the platform. So if you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, your 1,000 subscriber, or you are struggling to grow your channel, your faceless channel, then this video is for you. I just discovered these two powerful hacks that creators are using to get their 4,000 watch hours, and nobody is talking about it. I discovered it and I tried it on this my channel. Guys, I was able to accumulate about 6.7k watch hours on this my channel. You know, on this YouTube everything have changed, the algorithm have changed, monetization have changed, and small creators are struggling to grow on YouTube. Now if you have been struggling to grow on YouTube, get your 4,000 watch hour, get your 1,000 subscriber, get YouTube to push your videos for you to get that recommendation, everything, then worry no more. This video is the right video for you. So all you have to do is just watch it to the very end, because in this video I'm going to show you what these hacks are, how you are going to use it step by step, what you are going to do and how you are going to do it and get your 4,000 watch hours and even your 1,000 subscribers. These hacks works for every age. So all you have to do is just watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to walk you through on every of this hack so that you will start implementing it and start getting your 1,000 subscribers for your YouTube monetization. So if this is what you love, if at the end it will work for you, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified each time I publish a video like this. So if you're interested, let's go straight into our screen. Right, so now the first thing you need to do is, once you come over to your YouTube app where you upload your video, okay, then you click the plus sign. To click on the plus sign, this plus sign, it will bring you to your live session. You click on this live. Okay, now once you click on this live, the next thing you need to do, because you wouldn't want to show your face here. Yes, you wouldn't want to show your face. If you are scared of showing your face, just click on this down arrow. It will now bring you the option. You click on hide live video. Yes, once you click on this hide live video, your face will not be showing again. Okay, now the next thing we would want to do is to click on this pencil icon. Once you click on this pencil icon, it will now bring you to this interface where you have to input your thumbnail. You input your title and change your video visibility to public. Yes, because we'll be going live, but it will not be showing our face. But before we go live, you make sure you add the thumbnail that can grab in attention. Yes, because once people see a catchy thumbnail, it will make them to join that live stream, which will help you to accumulate the watch hours when they are watching it. Like, they will be watching it for long, and it will help to build your watch hours. Okay, now what you have to do is to click on this pencil icon. Once you click on it, you click on this upload thumbnail. And now once it brings you to your gallery, you just select a catchy thumbnail. Yes, instead of me, I'll just click on, let me just use one of my design thumbnail for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, just once you tap on the thumbnail, you zoom it in so that it will fit very well. Okay, now you click on save. Once you click on save, now you come over to this title. Now the one thing I want us to know about this title is that we are playing game on this particular live stream. Yes, we are playing game on this particular feature that we'll be using to accumulate our 4,000 watch hours. Okay, and you want to add a title. You cannot just add any random title. You want to add a title that can make people to stop the scroll, like that can stop the scroll and make people to join our live stream. Okay, let's say we'll have to title it maybe "This game is insane. You can't afford to miss it." Yes, maybe you can just put any emoji, like wow emoji, that can make the make someone to stop the scroll and want to join the live. Okay, so now they try to say this game is insane. Will capitalize this insane because the insane is what is actually the main thing here. Okay, we'll capitalize it. You can't afford to miss it. Okay, now once you have added your title, you come over and change your visibility. If it is on unlisted, you change it to public. Okay, but if yours is on public, you leave it like that. Okay, now the next thing is to put your description. In this my other channel that I'm using to do this tutorial, I already have a description. Yes, I already have a an uploaded description. So once you have added your description, the next thing is to click on this. Don't worry, we are not screen recording anything, we are not screencasting anything. Okay, once you have set all this in your thumbnail, your title, it will literally make people to join your live stream and it will help to accumulate your watch hours. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to click on this next. Yes, because we are already about to go live, we are about going live, but mind you that we have already um and turn off our camera so that our face will not be showing. Okay, so the next thing is to select your audience. Make sure that that's your video, that your make sure that your own is not made for kids. Okay, so we have to click on no, it's not made for kids, and the next thing is to go live. Okay, we click on go live. Now let's wait for the live to appear. Okay, going live. I'm not actually going to, I'm not actually going live, but it's because of the sake of this tutorial. Now, once you have started going live, your life will start showing like this. Okay. Now, the next thing we have to do is to, you see this middle, you see this middle icon, like this middle icon that is below this your live stream. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, now this is the um playables games we are about to play. Now all you have to do is now to select the most engaging games. Yes, guys, I'm not surprised that nobody has ever talked about it on this YouTube. Like no other creator I've seen that have talked about this thing. So you have to select an engaging game that will make people to, you know, to join the live. A game that when people see it, they will be like, guy, boy, what are you playing? You don't know how to play this game. Come, let me play it for you. Okay, I think this one will go. Yes, how do you see it? How do you see this one, this yellow one? How do you see this yellow one? I think it will actually go. So the next thing you have to do is to click on display. Yes, once you click on display, it will start processing. Okay, now you have to wait for it to process. So while waiting for it to process, now once you click on this once you click on this turn off mic, then the next thing is you have to wait for the live to process. Okay, now can you see that people have started joining the live already? People have started joining the live already. Yes, and that's so amazing. So now people will start joining the game. Yes, people will start joining the game because guy, yes. Now can you see it? Now you start, all you have to do is you start playing this game. Yes, you start playing it. Now once you start playing it, a lot of people will be joining your live. Yes, can you see that about 90% join this live? People will start joining this live. Okay, when they start joining this live, even you start seeing people that will start teaching you, hey, you don't know how to play this live, you don't know how to play this game, allow, give it to me, let me play it for you. Like they will be playing hide and seek everywhere. People that know how to play the game will play the game for you. Like they will be like, oh boy, what are you playing? You don't know how to play this game, do this, do that. Okay, now once you start playing the game, a lot of people will start joining. Yes, can you see about 15 persons are watching this live stream and one person have liked it. Guy, just 3 minutes I started this live stream and people have joined. Okay, so you should try this method. If you actually try this method, it's going to help you accumulate your 4,000 watch hours, because this is what most creators have been using to accumulate their 4,000 watch hours. Okay, again, you can actually put a question and answer, which can also keep those people engaged. And you can also add a poll to it, so that just find a way to make every of your video engaging for people to watch till the end. Guys, if you play this thing, if you keep playing this video for about 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, guys, you will know the amount of watch hours you have accumulated. Okay, you know the amount of watch hours you have accumulated. So try it, because a lot of small creators are using it right now to accumulate their 4,000 watch hours and get to that monetization threshold. So once you start playing this thing, a lot of people will be joining and start wanting to for them to even be the one to collect the phone and play the game for you. Okay, so by the time you do it consecutively, often, daily, every single time, you are going to accumulate your 4,000 watch hour. Okay, so try this method and trust me, it's going to work for you. Yes, I've seen a friend that got her about 3,000 a bit 2,500 watch hours just on this one live stream. Yes, she accumulated her 2,500 watch hours. Like, guys, it was so massive. So go try it. Make sure you come back to this video to thank me later. Okay, now the second one is almost the same thing. All you have to do is come over to your YouTube app and click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, then you click on this pencil icon. It's almost equivalent to the same thing the first one I just showed you right now. Okay, now you input your title, then input your thumbnail. Yes, you click on upload thumbnail. So once you have come over to your gallery, input one of your thumbnail. Let me just use this one for example. Then you click on save. Then you make sure you put it on public. Okay, then you put your title. Okay, now this one we are about to use now is screencast. Yes, it's screencast. We are about to use the screencast, and this screencast, instead of you going showing your face, sitting down for a long time and talking, maybe show people how to cook rice or your daily activities, you just have to record those videos on your phone, then screencast. So what we are going to do is to click on this screencast. Yes, we'll click on this screencast. Once you click on this screencast, then you click on next. You make sure that it is not made for click. You also click on the second next, so that it will not take you to your screencast. Okay. Now once you take you to your screencast, then once you bring it to this interface, you click on got it. Yes, you click on got it. Okay, so once you click on got it, then it will now tell you to start recording or casting with YouTube. No need of you using a third party or an external app to go live. Not be you start using Restream or other. This one is directly into the YouTube app you are using to catch up with this thing. Okay, now once you have done it, you click on start now. Yes, once you click on start now, it will start recording. Yes, all you have to do is just to loop the video. Yes, you loop the video, the thing will start showing your phone recording. So you have to come over to your gallery, then go to the video. By the time you keep looping it, doing it, a lot of people are going to be joining once that video is interesting. Okay, and so try this method, and don't forget to come back to this same video and tell me your results. Just turn on your notification so that you get notified each time I upload video like this. Okay, so thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.